Before we start comparing competitors or filling any tables, we need to be very clear about what problem we are solving first. At the beginning of benchmarking and market analysis, our job is not to think deeply yet. Our job is to collect reliable facts. This is exactly where Perplexity comes in. Let's clear up an important concept. Tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude are built on foundational models. These models are designed for reasoning, thinking, brainstorming, structuring ideas, drafting content. They help you think better. Perplexity is different. It's not a foundational model. It doesn't try to reason deeply or write long narratives. Instead, it fine-tunes existing models and optimizes them for one thing only: fast, accurate information retrieval with sources. You use Perplexity when you need specific facts, you need them fast, and you need sources you can trace. Let's apply this to our running case. Open Perplexity. First of all, let's give it a context. Let's upload our case brief and say, as lead business analyst, read and analyze this doc. Now it knows all about our case. So let's use our first prompt. Find the best known app or platform for barbershop appointment booking. Output, competitor list, country coverage, pricing model, and 2 or 3 credible sources per competitor. Focus on booking flows, cancellation policies, deposits, no-show handling, notifications, and admin scheduling. It worked for a while, and here is the competitor list with country coverage and pricing models. These are the best competitors. Now let's download the answer. Choose PDF and open it. At the bottom of the file, we can see all the source links. If there is no source link, treat it as a suggestion, not a fact. Now we move from raw research to decision-ready artifacts. This is where business analyst value happens. Let's move to our next tool, ChatGPT Deep Research. It's the best when you have multiple sources and want structured synthesis. Deep Research is one of ChatGPT's most advanced modes. Instead of giving short answers, it dives deep into real data from the web, scanning dozens of sources, comparing ideas, and building detailed reports. It doesn't just search, it thinks, plans, analyzes, and writes like a professional researcher. While a normal chat reply takes seconds, Deep Research takes 5 to 20 minutes but delivers expert-level results. It's available for free subscriptions too, but you can do the same with standard ChatGPT or Claude. Just run the prompt in smaller parts. Open New Chat, and with this plus button, activate Deep Research. Now we have to upload the result from the first step. I would like to add our case brief as context too. And here is our prompt for the research. You are my BA research analyst. Case barbershop booking mobile app. Create 5 outputs with citations. Competitor landscape table 10, 12. Feature metrics. Patterns and best practices. Positioning recommendations and also MVP suggestions. And the last output is UI style guide inspired by best apps. Here are our constraints. It ran for more than 11 minutes. Here we can see activities and sources, so we can review the answer. By the way, I'll attach all the artifacts from this course, so you can compare with your results. Now, when we have the result of Deep Research, let's open our Notion file and add the information. Let's add database / database, and let's choose this one, database full page. Let's name top 10 Babok techniques. The first page will be BBAP research. Now let's set metadata. The first one will be status. Let's add a new status. Edit property plus draft. And now we can choose it. Next will be version. Let's add it, and it will be select. Let's add version 1. One more property for tools used. It will be multi-select, so we can choose more than one tool. And our first tool will be Perplexity, ChatGPT Deep Research. And let's add Notion as we use it for the first time during this course. Here's our tool set. Let's open the page. Open in full page. Let's open our research and copy it. Let's just paste it in here. All the artifacts, starting from competitor landscape table. Here we have all the 12 competitors. Next is feature metrics. Then UX best practices, positioning recommendation, and UI style guide, which we will use in prototyping. And also icon. Now we have added our top bug technique database. At the end of the course, we will have all the 10 techniques with all the artifacts and all AI tools. So let's wrap up. Benchmarking and market analysis is one of the most important BA steps because it sets the direction of the whole project. If your research is wrong or shallow, you can build perfect user story and process models and still deliver the wrong product. Today we use the benchmarking and market analysis technique powered by AI. Here's why this tool combo is so effective. Perplexity gives us fast discovery plus links we can cite. ChatGPT Deep Research turns scattered sources into BA-ready artifacts, tables, metrics, and actionable insights. Notion becomes our single source of truth, so these artifacts stay reusable across the whole course. Quick recap of what we did. First, anchored the scope using the case brief. Second, used Perplexity to collect competitors and credible sources. Third, used Deep Research to synthesize 5 outputs. Fourth, stored everything in Notion as a research version 1 file. The real win is the artifacts. They give us evidence we can build on, not opinions. Next, we will use the foundation to make smarter decisions instead of guessing. See you in the next lesson.